What is up, everybody? It's Midget VR and we're back with another video. And today we are going to be playing Monkey's Realm. It's a fun game I found. And I've also just started a Discord server. If you want to join my Discord server, it's called Midget VR. So go and join my Discord server at Midget VR. And there'll be further content on there. You can send, there'll be sneak peeks of what new videos are, so just a little trailer, and there will be announcements of who wins contests and all of that. So our first contest is who can can send a picture. There's gonna be sending picture for contest. Who can send a pic? There's gonna be there's gonna be a contest page where you can put all of the contests and all of that. So our first contest is gonna be the picture contest. Who can send me a picture of them playing Gorilla Tag, doing an obstacle course? I meant a video of doing the obstacle course in Gorilla Tag. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. Back away from the Discord server, my Discord server and all of that. Let's get straight into the video. So we're going to join a public server. So let's join. Okay, we're in now.
Who's saying? What's this?
How many money do I have left? What the fuck?
You got tricked.
Guys, how do you get the
Hey,
bomb?
what's
How do you
this?
get the bomb?
And
How do you get the bomb?
anyway, let's make a fire.
Guys, how do you get the bomb? How do you get the bomb?
Oh,
Who has the bomb?
you saw this yellow?
I want to get a
What's
bomb. Stupid Nick. Stupid
Hi,
Nick.
people.
Stupid Nick.
Hola.
Nick. Stupid Nick.
My yes.
That means
Hey, yo, what the heck is this? Look at it. I saw the bomb.
Shut up.
Yo, how you do that, yo? How you get bombs? How you get bombs?
How do you get the bomb? How do you get the bomb?
Why?
Hey, you
Maybe-
trying to fight me?
I don't know how I got this. Is a bomb. How you get the bomb? How you get the bomb? No. Yo, how you get the bomb? How you get the bomb? Yo, how you get? Yo. I got exposed.
Oh, I know where's the bomb now. I know where.
You need it too. How you get the? Yo, how you get the bomb? How you get the bomb? I want to play it on your
Yo, look at this. Look at this. I'm taller. I'm stronger.
Oh shoot. I go to the right. That's how you do it.
Nobody cannot catch me up here. Oh no, he's trying to me. Nobody cannot catch me up here. Cause I'm in good base. Hey, Blue, woke up. Blue, hey, Blue, woke up. Blue, woke up.
Yeah, look up.
Blue, woke up.
Yo, what's
Hey,
up, Green?
Blue,
What's up, Green?
woke up.
Green, what's up?
But
Yo, how you go to the roof?
do.
Hold on. How you do it? How you do that?
Get
How
over
you do
here.
that? Hey, Green. Come here.
Okay, hold up.
Blue, stop, Blue. I fell No! I was almost to Mars. I fell past the moon. Curse you, man. I was so close to Mars. I was at moon, but I missed moon. Oh my goodness. That's bad. He's gonna help me. I think she's at the bottom. And the only problem he's like at the bottom right now.
Oh no, not first, you only.
Come on. You ready?
You go first.
oh, why didn't I? Oh no.
Bro, who said okay? Is someone's baby in here? Blue, my brother! Hey, my blue, please, this challenge. me, so I have 20%. I got it. No! My life is dying right now.
Dude, this game is horrible.
What do you mean this game is horrible, mate? You're the one who's playing it.
Look, I'm right here. Bro, I'm right here behind you. Dark blue. Come on. Hold up. Dude.
Oh, yes.
Guys, where are you?
We're at the tree. We're at the palm tree. We're at the bookshelf. I'm at palm tree still.
Oh. Whoa.
Wait! That palm tree.
It's such a calm atmosphere.
What do you mean you're at palm tree?
Oh my goodness, I am so close. Come wait for that palm tree. We're literally right there.
Hello, Dark Blue.
Hold up, wait. People, hold up.
Meet on the big light thing. Guys, meet on the light rock. Yeah? You made it? No, I didn't make it. Guys, where are you?
We're on the moon.
I need to get out of the moon.
I was so close to Mars, but I fell, and then I didn't touch the moon.
I see someone at palm trees. Wait, guys, come on. Can I play?
Let's go. Hello, Blue. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Wait for me. I literally found one here. I'm so scared.
No! Wait for me.
No.
Everyone, we're gonna meet at Mars, okay? What's up, brother? Come on. What's the my eyes! My eyes hurt now. Wait, let me have a drink.
Like
Wait.
gravity.
Need some? Okay. Not some.
Okay. Come on. Come on. Everybody feel who's just not free.
No.
I'm my friend again. I'm ready.
Gray, I see you. I beat it.
Oh, wait, at the top.
¿Qué?
Okay, wait.
Espera.
Then you can have the drink. Wait at the platform.
I beat it.
Okay.
I'm going down an
I might go up a little bit more.
No! This game sucks!
Oh my God.
I only have 20%, but I might make it. Wait, guys, wait for me. And wait for 2%. Robbers, I had 2%. I will not complete it.
I beat it.
You must have
Come on. Say close to Mars. Might end up when we reach Mars. This music's so nice. Sup, bro?
Yes, I made it with you. What's up? Still here.
Wait.
No. No, I'm done. Nope.
I'm still going.
Even though I have 4%, I will make it. No, I fell.
My next video will probably be a scary baboon or another video. but I feel like the next video will probably come out tomorrow or the day after. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Green, I want to help you. Hey, it's okay. It's okay, dude.
I'm not scared.
Don't leave me. Don't leave me, Green. Green. Don't leave me.
I'm not scared. I'm sorry.
You're afraid. I have to
You.
Wait. No. We can all go to the same lobby if you press random lobby. No.
Okay, guys. It was a good play game. This video will come out soon. I don't know when. After I finish editing. But anyway, guys, it's nice seeing you. And don't forget to join my Discord server. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
That's gonna knock you off.